What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Ty Simone. And we are back with some more weekly messages. So this message is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, for January 16th to February 1st. Oh my. What's up, Leo?
What's going on? Spirit, please give us some messages for Leo. Leo, the lions and lionesses. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Give some messages for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Spirit.
The Devil reversed.
The Hangman reversed.
The Four of Swords.
Ace of Wands reversed.
The Ace of Pentacles.
The Empress.
Nice. The King of Cups reversed.
Ten of Wands reversed.
And the Five of Swords reversed.
Okay, Leo.
Alright, so it's really cool to see that you have the Ace of Pentacles because all the previous energies so far. Oh, God. Alright, so Leo, I feel like your reading is definitely surrounding a new beginning in finances and stability.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you've released the parts of yourself, or you are releasing parts of yourself that did not serve you, like any addictions, any bad habits, any traumas, and, you know, any pains and stuff that have been holding you back with the Devil reverse. I feel like with the Hangman reverse, you are coming out of any stagnant energy you've been in, so any indecision that you may have been having, you are coming out of. I feel like you've been meditating, and I feel like you've been praying on the things that it is that you do want. And I feel like, you know, boom, transition to the Empress is putting you in this new power, this new beginning to do what it is that you want to do. I feel like you're doing a lot of releasing. You're letting go of a lot of baggage and things that aren't fruitful for this new beginning. I feel like with the Five of Swords reversed, you're deciphering through all of that with pretty much ease, for real. Like you're,
what should I kill? What should I not?
Yeah, and you're getting through it, and you're getting right to it.
Mm-hmm. And I also feel that with the Devil energy in reverse, like you're definitely clearing yourself of energy that won't be, what is the word, conducive with like this new beginning, and what won't get you toward that you're releasing, you know?
Yeah.
So you stepping into your feminine energy.
With the King of Cups reversed, though, I do think that you should stay in touch with how you feel. Like, don't neglect yourself. Make sure you give yourself the things that you need, like self-love, and that you're loving on the people that are around you.
The ones that give you the same energy.
Yeah, the ones that reciprocate that, for sure. But yeah, I mean, overall, I feel like you're doing really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Bottom of the deck. 10 of Pentacles. 8 of Swords reversed.
I got money.
And the Wheel. Yes, Leo. So I feel like you are definitely on it. You're definitely doing what you're supposed to do. I feel like you're balancing and managing your time and resources. Oh my God, girl.
Have you seen that video?
Yes, girl. I see everybody's seen that video, girl. Oh my God. I feel like you're balancing and managing your time and resources very wisely. I feel like you're letting go of any illusions that you may have had in the past concerning yourself and others, and it's working in your favor.
This shit is so funny. That's what I'm titling this video.
What?
You got money.
Oh my God.
Yeah, shit.
Well, get it all for him. Go ahead, Leo. Get it all.
This is hilarious.
It's all here for you. Believe in the impossible. Oh my God.
Oh. Alright. Don't let pride get in your way, Leo energy. Full moon and Leo. Full moon. Nobody better be showing their ass.
The end of a tough cycle approaches at the bottom.
Damn, just ignore it. It's okay. It was a bad joke.
Oh, I didn't even hear it.
What'd
you say?
I said Leo energy. Full moon and Leo. Nobody better be showing their asses. Oh, damn. Did y'all get my bonnet? I'm gonna cut that out.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna cut that out. Oh God, Leo, are you doing? Oh, God.
Oh, my God. You
Cut.
talking about asses and shit. Talk about other people. Anyway, that is what we have for you, Leo. I hope that this helps. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos.
And as I mentioned, or I don't know if I mentioned or not, but we do personal readings now. So if you want any clarification on a specific event, situation, or person in your life, reach out to us. All the information is in the description box below.
All right, Leo. Thank you. And until next time.
Y'all should feel special. Y'all saw my bonnet.
Oh, my fucking God. Later, Leo. Showing her ass.